Well, boys, kind of just jumped into her, but we're tinting the windows on the old leaker.
Trying.
Give me a follow.
There you go.
They're all right. First time tinter, no big D's.
We tried tinting one time a long time ago. That was under Fusion.
Yeah.
We cut it. And
No, that was the Impala.
Was it really?
Yeah. It's not horrible.
Damn, we got that crease out, but now there's just a bunch of bubbles up top here.
That's optional. Bunch of rando bubs.
I was trying to move all the water this way.
Whoever tinted this window before, it's got some like 15 on it, I think. There's a bunch of shit underneath of it, but
Tons.
for it to match the back window to the front, I got to leave that little shit tint on there, so who knows. We'll get back to you when the window's done.
That side was all right. I feel like we're having issues with the trim kind of pushing back up on it. This little piece of trim right here is almost kind of like pushing back up on the tint, so it's kind of making a bubble on the bottom, but we're gonna get it figured out. Well, that's kind of, see a difference right there. Oh yeah, this side came out a lot better and laid a lot easier than it did. Oh no, buddy. Oh, I wasn't trying to make it funny, but
You're not so much funny, buddy.
This side came out a hell of a lot better than that side did. This side we soaked it a lot more and actually kind of placed it around a little bit better before we actually started squeegeeing all the water out of it. So we're gonna go ahead and go on and get to that one. Well, she is all done, all finished. I know I can see myself in the reflection, but this came out really good on this side. This one came out pretty good. Obviously we still got a little bit of water bubbles and shit, so it's gonna have to dry and seal itself pretty much, but that's that. Then we went ahead and did these back windows. Did those. The front ones came out really good, but I truthfully think that it wasn't cut the best around the edges because we get it flush in all the corners, and it seems like on these, you know, the curves is where it's kind of not the best looking. But we did it to the best of our ability. That came out pretty good. pretty dark, that's for sure.
Yeah, you can't see in there at all.
Can you guys see? Oh, you can actually kind of see really good with the camera on there. It's kind of funny.
I'm saying if you look that way, like through the back window, like there's no looking.
Yeah, that's straight black. You ain't seeing nothing in that. But yeah, that's
That's what I'm saying. Like go like, put your hands up on it, like cup the window and look.
wow. Yeah, you can barely see. But we'll put a link in the description below to this company that Justin bought the pre-cut tints for, and you guys are gonna have to stay tuned because that is coming out of here and it's going in what it was supposed to be in the first place. The Cummins probably sound a lot better too.
Yeah, it probably will.
That needs to have tractor sounds coming out of it, not no.
It does.
No.
At idle.
Maybe at idle. But yeah, this is just a little quick video to throw in there for some content until we get some other big stuff going here. But y'all know the drill. Stay tuned. We'll see you at the next one.
Peace.
Peace.